Hello. Where are we now, Tita? We are in
Vikrath.
Vikrath. I have to let my Tita say the name of the place because sometimes I don't get it right. Ernesto tries to be German. Vikrath. So we are in Vikrath because there's a schloss, a castle. And then we're going to take Henry, Shelley's dog, for a walk here in Vikrath. It's very pretty autumn day and it's a Sunday here on our lovely holiday, our first autumn holiday in the fantastic Gem. Here, di ba, Tita? Because we are so mabonga. Did you enjoy the party last night, Tita?
Yes, of course.
You're so mabonga. You danced all night long, didn't you? So here we are. We'll take you now to what we call Vikrath. See you in a minute. Welcome to Vikrath. Schloss Vikrath was built between 1746 and 1772. The Baroque palace was built to the foundations of a late medieval water castle. The original castle was demolished in 1859 by the Prussian administration. The current ensemble of buildings in the park, the Baroque West and East Wing and the so-called Landstallmeister House, the residence of the former Stadtmaster, were built in 1875. The park has the shape of a coronet of a Count of the Holy Roman Empire. Vikrath is open to the public for visits, for walk along the grounds, to enjoy the beautiful sceneries, landscapes, gardens, and buildings. There is also a cafe at the end of your time here where you can really enjoy catching up with friends after enjoying the beautiful landmarks of this fantastic medieval castle. So here we are walking the grounds here in Vikrath. We're seeing the schloss at the very end, and Ernie's calling me for no reason, I don't know, trying to tell me about the places here. That's my Tita. Well, Henry, you want to be on my video? Hi, Henry. Hello. There you go. He is saying hello to all of you, our lovely Henry Ballenry. On my visit here, I was so impressed by the beautifully landscaped areas of these wonderful parks. Well, the added attractions are of course the colors of the leaves this time of the year. And when you walk around here in autumn, you are treated to the magnificent beauty of the century-old trees that were planted along these beautiful avenues and some waterways for you to enjoy the beautiful gardens here in Vikrath.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
My fascination of gardens across the world continues, and right now I'm here in Vikrath. This is so beautiful, and in this particular season, autumn, the leaves gave it a magical kind of a view, and it is so serene, so calm. You can hear the sound of the birds. There's also geese there flying, and apart from that, there's so many sections here that make it really fantastic. What makes it really exciting is that it's so in different kinds of levels. There's a water side, and then there's vast lands across, and then different statues or sculptures put around. Just look at this. Imagine having a book here to read, or a little bench by the brook and enjoying the beauty of this lovely sprawling garden here in Vikrath in wonderful Germany. Now, have to explore more. Well, it's so sunny. What a lovely autumn morning here in Germany, and we are exploring Vikrath. Why do you like this place, Kaz? What's so special about this place?
Because it has a cute little garden you can walk in, and it just looks beautiful.
Yes, I can imagine how they have landscaped this. The landscaping is wonderful because as we walk around, look, you love taking your dog Henry for a walk here. Why do you love taking your dog here for a walk?
Well, he can smell different kind of animals here. There's this big besom rats all over this place. You have gooses here. You have a lot of different animals, and Henry likes animals.
Yeah, and apart from that, there's plenty of places to just hang out and just enjoy the beauty of nature, right? And it's really fantastic. Thank you for taking me here because I really enjoyed. This is our last day here in Germany, but to be walking here with, of course, Ernie, and of course there's our Tita walking Henry ahead of us. It's really a lovely walk. This beautiful autumn day in Germany. Mwah!
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With
So there we go. It has been a wonderful visit here in Vikrath and seeing the shlosh and walking around these sprawling beautiful gardens. It's really magnificent. I hope I don't fall. But you know me, I love exploring beautiful gardens anywhere across the world. And if you want me to feature more gardens across the world, please comment below and you will be treated to some wonderful adventures right here in Just the Cat's Journeys. Thank you so much for following my vlog here, and I shall see you very soon. Please share, like, and of course comment. I shall be grateful. Lots of love. Mwah. Thank you, Sean. Cheers! Life is a never-ending journey. Just like me, I never stopped following my dreams. That's why I feel so good that I have given myself the chance to experience my dreams. Go live it. Well, after visiting the Sloshen, we visited this Bahu field. You know, it's so famous in the Philippines because it makes some animals run away. Look at these lovely flower fields. Like if you've got lavender, this one is like perfect for autumn. It's so matieka and mabongga, diba? So it's good a little step over with this lovely Bahu field.